Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cute cat. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. And let's start. We'll need 2 pieces of paper. This one, like narrow one, you could put it aside, and the regular one, we can fold it in half. Perfect. Now let's grab a marker, and we're gonna start with our cat's hat. How we're gonna do it? I'm gonna draw a pretty big, like oval. Then here I'm gonna add like a small oval, and then another small oval. And that's gonna be the pot. Here we go. Now let's add the eyes. 1, 2. You can add a cute nose, and of course a mouth. That's beautiful. Now let's add the ears. That's cute. Now from there, let's add the body. So somewhere here, I'm just gonna create like another arch like this. And of course we want a tail. That's good, and that part is done. Now you can put the marker aside and grab the scissors, and we're gonna cut the area that is kind of inside the eyes. Now that part is done. Grab this small piece of paper and let's place it inside. Make sure that you can see a little bit of paper here at the bottom. Grab the marker again and let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw like a circle here. Now I'm gonna inside draw like another circle. I'm gonna color this part black. That's cute. Now I'm gonna grab, like, you can grab any color. It can be blue or green, and I'm gonna just kind of outline this black circle with a different color. It can be blue, it can be green, again, any color you want. Now let's see how it's gonna look like. Look at that, so cute already. Love it. Now let's color our cute cat. And you can decide what color you want your cat to be. Maybe it's more like pink, maybe it's more like orange or brown. You decide. This color I'm gonna use for the nose. I'm gonna add the cheeks here. I'm gonna color the mouth red, and the tongue. And also I'm gonna color the area inside the ears, so this area as well. Now I want my cat to be a bright and happy color, so I am gonna color it orange. Start, but maybe your cat is gray, or maybe combination of a few colors. That would be very cute as well. So you decide how you want it. I'm gonna move it like this so this area won't get dirty while I'm coloring. So cute. Now grab a darker tone, and in my case that would be like this brown here. And with the darker tone, I'm just gonna add like some details. So we're gonna add some stripes. And you can add as many as you want. Maybe you can color even like one of the ears with a darker tone. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. That's so cute. Now you can add if you want any background. Maybe you want hearts, maybe you want stars. So you think how like you want it. I think I'm happy with mine like it is. Just gonna add a little bit of like a glue on the side of this paper here. That's good. Perfect. And my project is done. Guys, thank you so much for doing it with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.